Hola, senor. Welcome to another session. So there was request from Tanso. What are we gonna do regarding maps where we put them? I think that's a good opportunity to test the submodules, and if they work the way I think they work, then maybe yeah, this is a good test. Maybe if we move all the the kind of things that we build into submodules, then maybe it becomes easier to manage all this stuff. Because right now we have quite a lot of things going on. Okay, so how would we do that? Oof, what is happening here? I want to go here. So we create a new repository. We call it how about we call it super patch maps? Super maps. Super maps. Okay. Maybe that's the name. Super maps. Generalist ranked maps. We already have a generalist ranked maps. Super maps. Super maps. All maps for all maps inherited by superpatch. Public. Add a readme, yeah. Git ignore template. Oh no. License. Let me go to repositories. Go to multi pull requests. So first I would like to merge this one here. Squash and merge, exclude some files. Exclude summarize the file from GPU. Okay, delete branch. Okay, then we go here and we create a new repository, super maps. All maps inherited by superpatch. Okay, then here we make clone and then we create we go to here, we go to start clone repository, put that in super maps. Destination super maps, download full history, initialize all submodules. Okay, load SSH key, clone. Yes. So we are looking at, let's rename this one, remote manage the super hackers. Save. Okay. Good. So we have this remote main branch. Let me create a we should probably make a fork of this right away. Fork. Create fork. And then we say how do we do it? So we also take this guy and we add it here, manage, add a remote name, URL, that, save changes. There we go. Okay, then we so it's that branch. Okay, so we create a new branch. Create branch. Add license. Okay, so we are looking at game page. We take the Git attributes, the Git ignore. We take the license and the terms, and we simply put them into super maps. And then we hold on, that's not quite right. We go to General's game page. We pull. Looks like we have some changes here, no? No. Good. Then, so we have this one merged. Let's go to good. Then we go here. General's game page. Okay, so I would say we try to replicate. Let's take two folders. So we have this guy, and we take super maps. We go here, patch. No. Here. It's super maps. Okay, so we say I wonder if we should rename this repository to General Super Maps. Maybe. General super maps. Yeah, maybe. General super maps. The natural name would be General's game page to match the other repository names. Let's leave it at super maps for now. Whatever. Can still rename it another time, I guess. Super maps. Okay. So. Well, I mean, it's like, let's say this repository was called super page, yeah? Then you would know, okay, what does it actually refer to? If we name it general super page, it's a bit more descriptive, no? Yeah, I don't know. Super page or general super page. Yeah, I would say we name it general super maps for now. Yeah, because then when because standalone it's kind of weird. Yeah, okay. So how about we go to this repository back, general super maps. Yeah, let's try this to rename. Okay. And then we go in here and we rename it as well. Generals super maps. There we go. Okay. Then we need to adjust here the path super maps. So we go in here, manage here / generals super maps, save. Yes. Nice. Generals. Okay, and then we do can we change the folder? Hold on. Let's reset this. Let's start a clone repository. Can we rename the path? Pass. Okay, if we clone this and we go to the start view, can we change it here? Oh. Well, I guess what we can do is we can remove it. Can remove it, and then we do delete it, and we just clone it again. There we go. Destination. The spike. Yeah, select. Okay, manage superhackers. Okay. Okay, good. Create a new branch, license. Good. Game code, license. And game patch, readme terms. License. Get attributes. Readme. Good. There we go. Okay, so we have get attributes here. Yeah. Okay. We got a git ignore. Okay. License is that. Yeah. Terms. This one's still not updated. What is the problem here? Ah. I think the problem is oof. Okay. Problem is that I need to pull. Okay. So in this repository, we will only have maps. So I don't think we actually need this license. That would just be the terms. Well, actually, I mean, it's already covered here, I guess. I think we can remove this here for now because we plan to make derivative works. Actually, we can, here we can actually use MIT license. The MIT. Hold on, if we go to I think here we have an MIT license. Huh. I don't know why it has this one in here. That's kind of weird. I think it was auto-generated. Yeah. Permission hereby granted free of charge to any person obtaining a copy of the software and also the documentation files to deal in the software without restriction, including without animation, the rights to use, copy, modify, merge, publish, distribute, sub-license, and or sell copies of the software, and to permit persons to whom the software is furnished to do so. Yeah, I would say we go with a GPL license, same as here. This is the one that EA uses for its releases. So might as well just use that here. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, okay. Good, and then we will have, hold on, here, so we have game patch, so I would say we replicate the same structure. Same structure, 0 hour. And then we have this maps here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Maps. And then we take all the maps that are in here. There is a license. Yeah. Okay. There's a map cache in here. Map cache. I wonder if this file actually belongs in here. I don't think it should. It's a cache file. It needs to be generated actually. Shouldn't be in there. Okay, let's just copy these files over and put them in here. So we have this maps. Now the question is, do we need this game files edited folder? I don't know. Maybe we should have the same structure. I'm not sure. It seems kind of weird, but I don't know. Maybe later we regret if it's in a different folder. It should just be in the same layout as this one. Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let me think about this. Maybe it should be maps. Proof. Patch one off. Maybe we should just have let's cut this. Maybe we should just put maps ZH like this, and then just have the maps in there. We don't do this here, and then we can use or we say maybe it's safer to have a maps subfolder like here, So we do put, hold on. We rename this to maps, but we put it into a folder called ZH. ZH maps, and then the maps. Would that make sense? Maybe we call this generals ZH. Maps. Yeah. General ZH maps. Yeah. Yeah, I think we can do this. I will think about it a bit more. And then basically we can link to these things as submodules individually, or we could link the entire folder maps, right? Yeah. And you could then extend this, like you could say, okay, we have another folder, generals, for the generals maps, right? Could have that. Yeah. It looks okay to me on first sight. But yeah, we can sleep over it one night and then commit to it on the next session. Yeah. Okay, so the terms, does it look okay now? Yeah. Yeah, so the terms are, so basically EA has its terms here, which originate from the EA modding guidelines, and then here we have our own terms here at the bottom, that this product are bound to the Electronic Arts terms, grants at least all rights that EA grants, and reserves the right to change the license to any kind when the EA terms allow for it. Can redistribute and modify all EA assets under the same terms and license. If you do not wish to publish your derivative product under these terms, then you must not use any work of this product in your distribution. Not for commercial products, derivatives of this product cannot solicit donations unless they deviate by a substantial amount. I think this product needs to be uppercase. All other assets that are not derivative works of EA assets are licensed under the GPL. Yeah. Okay. Someone said that GPL cannot be applied to assets. I was looking this up. I didn't study this license because it's a lot of legalese, but I did find this this FAQ here, and it says, can I use a GPL for something other than software? And it says you can apply the GPL, let's make it larger. You can apply the GPL to any kind of work as long as it's clear what constitutes the source code for the work. The GPL defines this as a preferred form of the work for making changes in it. Yeah. So you can apply it to anything. I mean, in case of maps, the map itself is just the source, right? So any source can be that kind of thing, right? You can edit it, so it's a source, right? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah, the GPL is more targeted for software, for code, but yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't apply to like other things as well. Basically the principles of the license, that they matter, not not the kind of thing that they entail, right? Yeah. Man, this FAQ is huge. Jesus. Good. Yeah, I think that makes sense. We have the general super maps, general set age, maps, and then here are the maps. So in here, right now the folders are empty. I think some of them contain ini files, basically. Here, like a map ini, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then I will think about it a bit more before we commit to it. But I think it will work. Then Tanso can start pushing maps to it when it's ready, and then we can try to link it to the game page repository and see how it works. I think that's a nice test. Yeah. Okay, we can see if we're happy with it. All right. Good. Yeah, I think I don't really want to do any more in the session, which is a quick one. Then, yeah, I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.